Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's depends from where you are watching us right now. I'm saying thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for great support. So today we have another Bangani, another Ethiopian drill music, and this is hit one. Yeah. So I hope guys you're fine. So today we have Big Man ex Saint Moses. I think Bill Killer. I don't know what this means, man. So, without wasting time, we're gonna feel the vibe. This is Ethiopian drill music. The kind of type of Ethiopian drill music is dope. You're gonna loving it. So, video is around 1 year ago. So, without wasting time, let's dive into it, feel the vibe, and respect their vibe. They put the energy on it. Let's go now. So, let's start from the beginning. Okay, here we go, and boom. Mm. Big Man, X Moses. Okay, Son Moses. Wow.
It's me, Bigwa, and Musa, it's in nigga. Darkawitako, Rimergacha, Chafunkantashi, Desigara, Yukakibar, Manelas Ferra, Mokalebet Moon.
Wow. I love the way interpretala, Beregala, oh man.
Farah, Kasebe, Yona Jama, Pisilka Kisate, Lala Jara. Musa,
wow.
የሁላ ድራማ በስቶብኝ ተራማ ምንም ነገር ቢሆን
wow. Uru wazara zara wazara fasaru wazara. Let me put it that way. Bagada ya go like put the energy. But now when his rap is different from uh the one that it's already do like that is different, man. Listen to this one. But for this now, man, everything is little.
ማማ መታለል አይደለው ዝም በየ በማማ ይሄ በከጂኝ እንኳን መቼ ማልስማማ ረሳችሁ መሰለኝ እንደሆንኩኝ ዲለር ምንም ብትሞክሪ ማይሽ እንደው ከሬ ጊዜ ጉዳይ ነው አዩ አንቺ ከበር ዝም ብላ ትታረድ ነቃር ብራዘር ዝም ብላ ትታረድ ነቃር ብራዘር Musa step on this niggas man nigga
ሁኔታለ የሁላ ድፍረት ያዙ ልቀቁኝ የሁላ ግለት ወከባ ሆነ የድሮ ተረት ይሻል ነበር አርፎ መቀመጥ አያተርፍም አሁን መደንገጥ እንካበል ቅመስ ይህንን ብረት
ዋው
የደካከሙ የሰፈር ዱሻ አንዱ ለትራጋ ስረው የሆነ ቆሻሻ አራዳ ለመምሰል አሉ ሽሻ ይሻብ ይመለሱ ይሻላል ከመጡበት ይሻ ሰማዋቸው ደግሞ ነኝ ያሉ ጋንግስተር አታስቀኝ ፈለው አንተን ብሎ ኪለር ወፋ ከሚላቸው ለማስወጣ ምስተር ተሳስተንዳ ላይ መተኛ ሰፈር ተሳስተንዳ ላይ መተኛ ሰፈር
ያ ሰፈር Wow, thank you so much for watching in and thank you so much for great support. I hope you learned the video, you enjoying it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Respect to everyone. See you on next video. Peace out.